Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can lock your chart drawings on TradingView. This prevents accidental movement or deletion of lines, shape, and indicators, keeping your analysis safe. So the first thing that you will have to do once you're on your dashboard, you will just have to select any chart of your choice and just wait for it to load. And now that you're here, what you will have to do if you don't have a drawing yet, let's try drawing something. So as you can see, we currently have our drawing here. So in order for you to lock it, you will just have to select it and then you will click this button right here, which says lock. And yeah, that's basically just it. And now you won't be able to actually accidentally move it. So yeah, that's just it. And in order for you to unlock it, you will just have to click you just have to right click and then you will just have to click this button again. And yeah, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.